Samsung is getting ready to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event in July, and trust me, this one's a game changer. According to leakster Panda Flash, the Z Fold 7 will be the toughest foldable smartphone ever, featuring a revamped internal structure and an upgraded hinge with dust-protective brushes. Sounds pretty bulletproof, right? Samsung's making huge strides in display tech too. Meet Flex Glass, a next-gen foldable display that's more durable and flexible than ever before. Now let's talk cameras. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have a 200 megapixel primary camera. That's the same sensor as the S25 Ultra, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. Expect massive photo upgrades. As for the design, leaks suggest a wider form factor and a slimmer profile. We're talking about just 4.5mm thick when unfolded. That's thinner than the Z Fold 6, making it sleeker and more comfortable to use. Good news for S Pen pens. A new thicker stylus is coming for the Z Fold 7, promising an even better writing experience. Samsung's also prepping Android 15 and One UI 7X for the Foldable, keeping everything smooth and intuitive. With improved durability, a massive camera upgrade, and a sleek new design, the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be Samsung's most impressive foldable yet. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.